Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE back to factory settings. The first thing you'll need to do is swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the settings wheel in the upper right corner. From here, you'll want to swipe up and you'll want to go to the accounts and backup section. Go to manage accounts, and then all your Google accounts, you'll simply want to tap on them and tap remove account and remove. You'll want to repeat this for all your Google accounts. And the reason for this is if you do not remove the Google accounts first, when you try to reset the phone, it's going to ask you to put in the last Gmail account that was signed into the phone. So if you're resetting the phone because you're going to sell it or you're going to give it away or return it to the store you purchased it from, you have to do this first or it will lock the phone up and will make it unusable without your Gmail password. So make sure you follow that first step and you repeat it for all the Google accounts. Next, I'm going to go back one screen here, swipe up and go to General Management, and then tap on Reset, swipe up, and go to Factory Data Reset. Now, understand that when you do the reset, so we tapped reset, we're going to put in our passcode to confirm. Once you do this, this is the last step. Once you tap delete all, this is going to erase all the data from the phone. Now, you might see this pop up if you have an eSIM that is tied to the phone. If you plan on resetting the phone and continuing to use it, then make sure you keep the eSIM and reset. Okay. However, if you are, again, returning the phone or selling it, you'll want to remove the eSIM and reset. And then it will totally disconnect whatever phone number is tied to the phone. Okay. So I want to keep the eSIM. I'm going to tap keep eSIM and reset. And that's it. Now the phone is going to go into its full reset mode. And this part can take anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. It's going to wipe all the data from the phone and then set it up like a brand new phone. So at this point, there's nothing else you'll need to do. Just sit, don't touch the phone, let it go through a few cycles of resetting, and then it will take you to a welcome screen and ask you to select a language. All right. Now, one final note, your phone will not allow you to trigger this factory reset if your battery is below 30%. So make sure your phone is charged up before you attempt this. If not, you won't be able to do it. All right. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.